Freedom Street, you don't know. Yo, first me have to say yo happy new year to the viewers and subscribers of Sandy and Bones TV. You see it? And big up to 38,000 people who subscribe to in 2024 and big up who are going to subscribe to in 2025. You see it? But you don't know, say Kartel and Freedom Street, I do it right now. And the people who turn out and full up the stadium and things, you see it? So we have a performance from Kartel and don't know Lisa Hype and Russian and Spice and all works, you see it? But you don't know it's at the first part of the show, so we can't judge it and say, yo, the man perform good or the man perform good or what, you see me? We just bring it across to you because you see what I want. So you don't know, you say, and if you're new around here, just remember to like, comment and share and just go and subscribe to the TV. For future upload, then you can hit you up over Facebook and over Instagram at Sandy and Bones TV. And you say, yo, Gaza, we say one Gaza, you see me? Yeah, man, go forward and see what I want from the Gaza boss and the performance. Set speed.
Listen me, the boy Serpy, you talk too much. I want bad MC. Listen me, me know when you have nothing. Me know when you are guys. Hold on. Grassy. We have time for you. Jump up. We don't have time for no jail time. That's how we have time. Wine from my money and my money from my mind. All of the money when you can go through any rough situation and come out on top. Because that is the greatest. No? Oh. When Sadagas here.
You know empty no shit here. Run.
But what? So what? No. Now see if you know Kartel like. See if you know that part. Before suit Sophia bring. What she say? No matter with the suicide thing. Me swear if I love you till time end. Me never mean to. Oh yes sir. Another girl. Shiva. You know you want me, yeah. But I'm gonna get up. Shiva, what me do?
Lego me boss. Lego me boss. Hey, hey.
Vamos for the pizza. Over yourself.
She a bubble, bubble, bubble. She a bubble, bubble, bubble. She a bubble, bubble, bubble.
Peter Portmore. Me rose with chain and the purest. G-Shock watch.
Me dey a road, and guess what? If you are island, time for you. Hold on, time for you. Grassy, time for you. Yo, that's enough. Me not time for no jail time. That's how we time. Man from my money, I'm. This is how them a breed. This is how them a breed. Anyway, you see me at any given time. Man from my money, I'm my money. This is how them a breed. Low me, money me a meds and them not gun fi show me 30 million for your house up a stony. But me go and hustle round the father. Me nah make no man write me like. Look, all of the man never know say when you can go through any rough situation and come out on top. Cause that is the greatest. No? Oh, when Sadagas here, you know if they no sit here.
did it! Yes, we done! One Addy!
Watch that. 2025. What are we alive? 2025.
You did it!
Happy New Year!
2025. What are we
Welcome
alive?
to 2025! Let's do this! God above mankind! Let's do this! God above all things! Let's do this! United to see a new
Big-
Hey, you gotta fight with it. I'm happy to see you. Yeah. Spice me the God. They are celebrating the people there. They are celebrating. God is the greatest people. Remember me telling you that. That's why your life you can achieve anything you want. 2025 and we are live. 2025 and we want. Carry go here. I mean, God. Where are you just now? Let me see you. Can I tell them something about we? Ready?
Tell them no deep fella.
We don't give a damn. Ready? From the girl, them look for me, girl, tell me them love me. Girl, come, please come up me. Always some boy hate me. The girl, them love up. The girl, them love up to reach out this. Now get a play now. Me no respond to man, me no gear now. But you can't tell me you're the one man. You say you can't do it, you have to run along. Because your mom and your friends and your sister. And all of your family, tell them come along. You ain't the Benz and me in the upper van. Girl, I said, to the American citizen. And just tell me to dash when the sun's down. Now what? Go and get a pretty son. Freeway. Sing out them picture. Girl, wear pretty son. Girl, wear favorite dopey story. What? We can't hear no. Cause them want to be ya. From the girl, them look for me, them tell me, them of me. Girl, come, please come to me. Always some boy hear me. Them girl want to hear me. The girl, them no more. The girl, them no more. Girl, watch me, you watch. Me no responsible man, get up here. One thing about we and the youth, them where we come from. We no shot a girl. Rude boy, we no shot a girl. Big black belly here and there. Girl, I said here. When we go for one more, girl, I said, you don't know. It's a boy. Touch the road with my water, girl. On the sink. Then me say, my girl, are you? She said the kind of a pocket. She said the size of the ribs. She said it. Shape, so she said about the size of me dick. Quick. Walk is sick. And my breath not kick. Hear me now. Girl to the uptown youth and shake. Like her pum pum have an earthquake. Yeah. Girl say me sweeter than Christmas cake. Someone check when they keep an ad from tree. Hear me to her. Yo man, what up? To what we feel kiss up, to what we feel love up. Come in on the house, to what we feel rub up. You see them funk you up, chop. Anyway. Yeah. Pull up. Man. Derek. Yes, sir. You good? Blessed. It's been a while, you know, man. A long while. 13 years. Read it. Yeah. And the straight man in our place. Nobody, no, we don't love man. I'll take your family. Hey. Yes, I mean that. Hey. I will know that. I will hear this. no love man, so take your yaya for me. I feel your same gal a try for me. She a fight for the same, and I think straight mind. It's a love in the dance, gal a wire for me. Send me a ready if you are your body. She said, tell me the remedy you apply for me. Listen, hear me now, girl from every area. Me the walk it here we go. Only girl them love me so sick. In a my sleep. The girl them a say pink and them ice cream. Straight jeans and fit and white tees. She said, teacher, you're dressed in nicely. Sure. Pull up. If you know you'll be extreme. Ready?